Strength can be found in the most curious of places. Take Elissa Stiles, for instance. The Oklahoma native has a lot of it. Just ask his granddaughter, Elissa Stiles.
He would go out and mow 2.5 acres and chop a whole rick of wood, and he was so strong and he was so healthy.
Keep in mind, he's 90 years old. But Elissa's world changed in December when her grandpa Claude tested positive for COVID-19. He went to the hospital but went home not long after. However, within a matter of days, he ended up going back in.
We were also hopeful for the new year, and he was being able to sit up and eat food on the side of his hospital bed, and so we were really feeling hopeful, but then I think it was January 2nd we got the call, and we weren't expecting it at all.
That call was the hospital. Her grandpa Claude was losing his fight with COVID. Elissa and her family rushed to Tulsa's Hillcrest Hospital South to say their final goodbyes on January 3rd. They were in the room when he passed. Soon after his death, Elissa received a special gift from the nursing staff, an EKG of her grandfather's heartbeat.
We've been really busy, and
Amy Nichols works as an ICU nurse at the same hospital where Claude died. She, along with some of the other nurses, started putting COVID patients' heartbeats in little bottles last fall.
The process is when we know a patient is going to pass or make them comfort care, we will print off a EKG strip of their heartbeat, and we will put it in an empty bottle and seal it and put a ribbon on it so they can carry it around with them.
The process is short, taking about 5 minutes, but its impact lasts much longer.
Every time we've given it to the families, they've really appreciated it.
Elissa keeps her bottle at home on a bookshelf, and when she looks at it, she's instantly reminded of her grandfather's strong, loving heart.
It takes away the pain in a lot of ways to have this physical reminder of the best part of him.
And that little heartbeat in a bottle actually inspired Elissa's eulogy at her grandfather's funeral just a few months back. She compared that little strip of paper to the strong heart her grandfather had before he died, saying they always joked about how he did not have the heart of your typical 90-year-old. Shannon, Rousseau, Oklahoma's Own News on 6.